Okay, this is devastating. Today my parents didn't allow me to eat chicken tonkatsu because my parents didn't think that it wasn't tasty for me, so that's the reason. Okay. That's the reason why my parents didn't let me eat chicken tonkatsu. And if you're watching this, leave a comment if your parent allowed you to eat chicken tonkatsu or not. Okay, check the comments for and if you saw a comment that said check the replies, check it. There might be a voice reply in it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.